Do you plan to operate a commercial vehicle within Nevada state lines? If so, there's a strong chance that you must first secure a Nevada DOT number. The number is for businesses that transport property or passengers for compensation at either the intrastate or interstate level. In Nevada, the DMV Motor Carrier Division regulates intrastate and interstate carriers. This division also works with the DOT and FMCSA to provide authority to transportation companies. The Nevada DMV will occasionally update its DOT number rules and regulations that affect all types of motor carriers. The main reason that the DMV, DOT, and FMCSA use DOT numbers is to track safety information of all carriers. That is why the DOT conducts safety audits and DOT compliance reviews. These audits and reviews apply to almost all commercial vehicles that weigh more than 10,001 pounds. Thus, if you have a large commercial vehicle, there's a strong chance that you will need a DOT number to operate the vehicle in Nevada with Motor Carrier Authority. Keep in mind that commercial vehicles can include any type of truck, van, pickup truck, or even a vehicle pulling a trailer. In fact, say that your vehicle pulls a trailer in Nevada. You'll need to check to see what the GCWR of the vehicle trailer combination is. It stands for Gross Weight Combined Vehicle Weight Rating. If the GCWR number is above 10,001 pounds, then you need to secure a DOT number in order to drive in Nevada. Now, say that you get pulled over driving in Nevada without a DOT number registration. You and your carrier will face major fines and penalties. In fact, your trucking business could even get fined into non-existence. That is why you cannot afford to risk operating your vehicle without this crucial number. When it comes to navigating all the confusing application paperwork and documents, you are not in this alone. Here at FMCSAregistration.com, our third-party trucking compliance team is standing by to register your vehicle with the Nevada DMV and the United States Department of Transportation. This way, your carrier will have the authority to conduct all its business operations in the state. You're welcome to order a brand new Nevada DOT number on our website, or you can pick up the phone and give our experts a call at any time. Our number is 866-477-0707. We can even register a biannual update for your DOT number so that the government will allow you to continue operating in the state. When calling us, feel free to tell our team about any other trucking registration that you might need. Within minutes, we can assess your unique compliance information and begin registering your carrier or vehicle with the DOT, FMCSA, and State Government of Nevada. Next thing you know, you'll have all the authority to cruise across the interstates of Nevada with ease. The FMCSAregistration.com team looks forward to helping you maintain motor carrier authority through a DOT number.